Flower stick durability test. I've been meaning to do this one for a little while now, and today I've just literally made my sacrificial flower sticks. So let's get ready. I've not really spray painted these because I wanted to make these today to destroy, and if I was to spray paint them, it would take me 3 days to make them. Tell me in the comments if you can figure out why. Just to go over very quickly what these are made out of. This is a softwood pine. The tassels are leather from GH Leathers, which I got from a recommendation of a friend. I have just used duct tape because I don't care about these ones. Chair leg caps, silicone tubing. I'll be interested to see how long this lasts because this is softwood, so I do imagine I'll have to upgrade these. Okay, first test. I'll be testing the tassels of my flower stick, see how durable they are. So scenario, you give my flower sticks to a child, or a child has my flower sticks and you want them. So you grab the stick from the end, just see if you can like take it from the child, right? Come on, you bastard! That's a strong child. So, yeah, doesn't come off. I'm pulling it. Don't come off. How about these? How about if you pull from the tassels? Not completely fine. What if I pull individual tassels? This is strong leather. Yeah. Success. Next thing I'll do is a kick test. So some people like to kick flower sticks when they play with them, kind of like this. So let's see how much I can kick it. I got bored of the kick test, so we'll just move on to the drop test. If in doubt, drop it some more, I guess. These are some fairly normal tests. It still works fine. Let's move on to some more stupid tests now. Okay, this one's called the hammer guard test, I guess. Say someone was coming at you with a hammer for some reason. I don't know what you did to annoy them. And all you have to defend yourselves are my sticks, and you don't really know how to fight or just run away. So you kind of go like that. Just imagine that these two pieces of wood are you basically just doing this. Let's see what happens. Oh my god, one hit. Wow. I'd like to see if I could get some wow. Who could have saw that coming? I wonder if I can get some stronger material. I hope no one does this to their sticks. So this is like the final play test. Can I still play with these even after they've been destroyed? I mean, you can, kind of, I guess. It's kind of like spinning nunchucks. So, if you want to turn these into nunchucks, just break them, and now you have some nunchucks. Yeah. So, that's flower stick durability test. Hope you've enjoyed. and learnt something, I suppose.